Guys, I am Loveneesh, head of ecosystem at Union, and at Union we are building the modular zero knowledge interop layer. So too much, too many words together, right? Uh, Let me start with the interop dilemma. But you know us. Have you seen this photo over Twitter? Like some people posted that was our CEO with smoke around Korea Blockchain Week, and we got a lot of eyes from this. And now we have raised our Series A, so the goal is to buy our CEO a T-shirt. So yeah, there is an interop dilemma. Like everyone, the last two talks that you were hearing, everyone was talking about interop, and there are a lot of layer 1 layer 2 chains coming up every day, and like connecting with all of them is much important now. Like the initial days, there were like a very few chains, and now the ecosystem has been huge, and a lot of layer 2s coming up, then a lot of new layer 1 coming up as well. And then the app chain narrative, everyone is moving to the app chain narrative, whether it's Polygon, Arbitrum, Optimism. So we need the infra to connect these chains. But the thing is, synchronizing between the blockchains is a very complex procedure. So every single chain has their own state machine, and synchronizing the state machine is one thing which is difficult because every chain is having different consensus mechanisms. And then there are a lot of complexities like security risks. Then there are some approaches which are highly centralized, like using a centralized exchange or using a semi-decentralized interop protocol. So I have classified these bridging methods into three categories. The first one is trust me, bro. So that's the fully decentralized approach. That's directly using a centralized exchange. And the second one is trust us, bro. So there is this interop infra which uses oracles or multi-party communication to finalize the transactions over different chain. And the third one is fully decentralized one. So we are working on the fully decentralized interop infra right now. So the current approach that we are using is zero knowledge proof, and I am trying to tell you how it is different from the fully decentralized approach. So if you use any other service which is fully decentralized, they rely on block confirmations. If you want to transfer your assets from, say, chain A to chain B, chain A is Ethereum and chain B is Cosmos. So they'll wait for, like, Ethereum has like this 80 block confirmations, they'll wait, right? After that only they'll release your funds, which takes around 15 to 20 minutes. But how we are doing it different is, we have our verifier contracts, we call them light clients as well, installed on the chains that we are integrated to. That light contract has a prover network. Whenever you initiate a asset transfer request from Union, it generates a zero knowledge proof. And then at the other chain, the verifier contract checks about the zero knowledge proof again, and the funds are transferred from chain A to chain B. And the zero knowledge proof is generated in around 6 seconds. So the finality time is reduced from 20 minutes to 6 seconds if you are using Union. So why Union? First thing is, we are a fully decentralized interop infra, and there is no centralized parties involved. And we are using zero knowledge cryptography, which makes it highly secure and fast as well. So Union and Agoric. Have you guys heard of Agoric? Can I get a hand raise? Okay, I can see like a couple of hands. So Agoric is like working very closely with us. If you want to orchestrate your things, you can write a simple line of 3 line of JavaScript code to utilize our SDKs. It's pretty simple. So Agoric's APIs are basically some JavaScript code, and you can use a lot of infra. So if you can choose between Union, and they support Axelar too, and you can make your projects interoperable. So yeah, we are more than just trustless bridging. We are trying to be the point of connection for every single blockchain out there, right? And here is a list of chains that we are going to support. We are already integrated with Polygon, ZK EVM, Avalanche, ZK Sync, Linea, Arbitrum. Base is in progress, then Scroll. And we are natively built on top of IBC. So we support Cosmos based chains too. Then uh, we are 60 times faster than Tendermint X, which is another zero knowledge based interop protocol. But Tendermint is just between IBC chains. And then we are 150 times cheaper than ZK-Men. So cheaper in terms of the relay fee. So yeah, we are building the future of modular interoperability, and I hope you guys join the union. So these are some of the partners that we are going to integrate to. We are currently integrated to a couple of chains. In EVM, we are integrated to Polygon, Arbitrum, Scroll. Then we have now support for move-based VMs as well. We'll be live with move-based VMs in testnet 9, which is releasing in a couple of weeks. And then we are gearing up for our mainnet. So we are unstoppable, sensorless. Even if we, all the union team, we start working on some other things. If the relayers are running, the validators are validating, the network will still be there. We are fully decentralized. We don't need anyone to run run or govern the project, right? So if you want to build on top of union, you can check out our documentation over here.